Clearing the cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Open Microsoft Edge, launch the Edge browser on your computer. Access Settings, click on the 3 horizontal dots, More Options, in the top right corner of the window to open the menu. Go to Settings, scroll down the menu and click on Settings. Privacy, Search, and Services, in the left sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. Choose what to clear. Under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose what to clear. Select Items to clear. You'll see a list of items such as browsing history, cookies, cached data, and more. Check the boxes next to Cookies and other site data and Cached images and files. You can also choose other items you want to clear. Time range. Decide the time range for which you want to clear the data. You can select from options like Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, Last 7 Days, Last 4 Weeks, or All Time. Clear data. Once you've chosen what you want to clear and the time range, click on the Clear Now button and delete the selected browsing data. Once the process is complete, the cache and cookies for the selected time range will be cleared from your Microsoft Edge browser. This can help resolve issues related to website loading, login problems, and more.